Hi guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be covering some major news in one of my favorite altcoins. Like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief.
So first things first, I'm going to cover the basics. The project I'll be covering today is MultiversX. The ticker is EGLD. EGLD is currently trading at a price point of just over $36. It has a market cap of 939 million, a max supply of 31 million, and a circulating supply of 25 million. That's about 81% in circulation. To put things into perspective, Bitcoin has a max supply of 21 million, which EGLD only being 10 million higher still is a very scarce supply. According to CoinMarketCap, MultiversX is currently ranked 48 among all cryptocurrencies. Back in 2021, EGLD reached a price point of $542 as its all-time high. It's currently down 93% since then. MultiversX is a blockchain protocol that seeks to offer extremely fast transaction speeds by using sharding. The project describes itself as a technological ecosystem for the new internet, which includes fintech, decentralized finance, and the Internet of Things. Its smart contracts execution platform is reportedly capable of 15,000 transactions per second, a 6-second latency, and about a tenth of a penny transaction cost. To put things into perspective, Ethereum right now is handling about 30 transactions per second. Solana is handling about 50,000 transactions per second. However, it has been tested that with sharding, EGLD can handle up to 263,000 transactions per second, which obviously blows Solana and Ethereum out of the water. And a tenth of a penny transaction cost is not bad at all. For example, if you wanted to invest in an ERC20 token on Ethereum's blockchain through Uniswap, you may want to buy $50 worth of a crypto, but you're going to have to pay another $50 to $60 worth of fees just to get it. So you end up spending $100, $110 for $50 worth of crypto. EGLD, you won't have that problem. MultiversX was co-founded in late 2017 by brothers Beniamin and Mincu. If you guys have watched my other EGLD videos, you know I'm extremely bullish on EGLD because of Beniamin and Mincu. I think he is brilliant for the crypto space, and personally, I will not be betting against him in a project. He also just recently on YouTube laid out a roadmap on the MultiversX channel that I highly recommend you guys go watch if you guys are wanting to invest in EGLD. Now, when you look at MultiversX on Twitter, they have 568,000 followers. That is a lot of followers for a layer 1 project, but it feels like every single time I get on Twitter, they're doing something new. They're constantly improving. Whether it's EGLD getting listed on Upbit, which is the largest Korean exchange, or the first European institutional NFT marketplace live on MultiversX, they constantly improve every single time. But the reason I'm making this video specifically today is because of the MultiversX hypergrowth campaign. So in my last video, one of my few complaints about MultiversX was that I just didn't see them marketing as much as I saw other layer 1 projects doing so. However, they have just introduced a 30-day campaign, the HypergrowthX Marathon, where the entire community has access to a $40,000 EGLD prize pool if you guys produce content about EGLD. As they say here, to take part in the MultiversX hypergrowth campaign, create your content and share it on Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, or Reddit. Remember to tag us or use the hashtags EGLD, MultiversX, HypergrowthX. Then submit the link to our content through our official submission form. This is just overall a fantastic idea. It gets your community involved and it gets people to stop worrying about price action so much. You now have the ability to promote a project that you want to promote, that you believe in long term, and potentially get paid to do so. So this just makes me even more bullish on MultiversX, as it completely negates what I was saying about not marketing. Now, just some more basics on EGLD. They have 323 million total transactions. They have 3,200 validator nodes, and they're fully carbon neutral, which is fantastic to see because Bitcoin gets scrutinized constantly for being harmful to the environment. Now I have to show the MultiversX ecosystem map in every video. If you want, take a second and pause the video and look at how many quality partners MultiversX has. Their ecosystem is huge. Now, as for how high I think EGLD could go next bull run, XRP currently has a market cap of 27.2 billion. As we discussed with EGLD, it's just under 1 billion. Now, if you go to market cap of and you put EGLD in and you put XRP in, theoretically, if EGLD were to reach the market cap of XRP, it would be sitting at a price point of $1,069, which would be about a 29x. EGLD's all-time high was $542. This would be roughly a 2x from there. And with how fast EGLD is growing, I don't see any reason that it shouldn't get back to all-time highs or significantly past it. This is honestly not a price prediction that I feel like I need to defend that much. For those of you guys that believe in EGLD long term, I think you guys would completely agree that this is possible. Now, obviously nothing is guaranteed, so do your own research. Just because I'm saying that I believe it could hit these levels, it doesn't mean that it will. Now for the final part of this video, I'll get into a little bit of technical analysis. So when you look at EGLD on the weekly time frame, the stochastics are extremely oversold, starting to push up, and the RSI is beneath the midway point. Now you could argue that EGLD is in a falling wedge, which falling wedges break up 68% of the time, and the measured move would take you to about $58. However, if the falling wedge does break out, first things first, EGLD would need to get past that $53 mark. It was tweezer tops in the past. And now if you pull a Fibonacci, EGLD is also currently trading at the 786, which is significantly beneath the golden pocket. Traditionally, all four of these indicators mean that it is a great time to start accumulating EGLD. I also want you guys to keep in mind, right now, pretty much everything is tied to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin rises, there's a good chance EGLD will rise. If Bitcoin falls, there's a good chance EGLD will fall. But if you guys believe in EGLD long term, it might not be a bad idea for you guys to start dollar cost averaging in. But let me know down in the comments, how do you guys feel about EGLD and the hypergrowth? Do you believe that utilizing the community to help grow will be a good marketing strategy? Like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. Thank you guys for watching.
I'm hitting the ground running, up and coming, ain't nothing, yeah, rookie of the year, I'ma keep it 100, cold-blooded, no budget, from nothing to something, I ain't bluffing, I got a full hand, and a full plan, I ain't gonna stop till I'm at the top, man, every single drop got me feeling awesome, I'm about to pop, started from the bottom, yeah.